If you've ever wanted to trade crypto automatically, but you thought you needed thousands of dollars or complex coding skills, this video is going to change that. I'm going to show you how to build a fully automated crypto trading bot for as little as $100. No Python, no complex languages, just a trading view strategy, a crypto exchange, and a no-code setup that's going to allow it to trade for you 24/7. And don't worry if you don't already have your own trading view strategy. I'm going to show you a place where you can find trading strategies tracked and verified by third-party data feeds completely for free. They'll be free for you to copy and use in your very own trading bot as well. So by the end of this video, if you are following along step by step, you're going to have a live trading bot set up and trading for you 24/7 with as little as $100 in your brokerage account. If you are a beginner, this is great. If you are someone who is more advanced, but you want to start automating things, this video is also going to be very useful to you. I think $100 or in that low $100 range is a really good size to start things out because you're not risking a ton of money and that's going to like make or break you, but you're also going to be able to kind of test the waters, make sure things are working. And then if it is, you can easily scale from there. I know automation can be scary because once you kind of take your hands off, you aren't in control anymore, even though you might have set things up to where you think things should work. I know at least taking that leap isn't the easiest. So I'm going to walk you through building your first bot step by step and hopefully be able to calm some of those nerves because we're going to be using a site called AlphaInsider. And the reason why I say calm those nerves is because on the site like this, you can see I have a couple of trading bots at the top of the screen. We have got a list of trading strategies. These are not trading bots per se, but these are all strategies that we can use to create our own trading bot, if that makes sense. Not to mention we can even upload our own, which we have a video already up on the channel showing you how to upload your own. But the reason I bring you to this page first is because inside of here, if I was to go to the top crypto strategies, we can see that some of them aren't very active, meaning these dots, there's not a lot of dots, but they've done well because crypto's been doing well as of right now. But if I was to go over here and I was to go down to the trades and I would set a minimum of 25 trades, showing it's a more active strategy, I can filter by those types of strategies. Let's say that I wanted to trade this one right here. I think it looks like it's doing pretty well, or this one up on the top right. Doesn't really matter. It's up to you. Let's go to the top right. Inside of here, I can scroll down and I can see all of the trades that we have taken or the strategy has taken. Not we, it's this specific strategy. And the strategy is not made by me or by someone necessarily at AlphaInsider. I guess it in theory could be. A strategy on the site could be, as I've uploaded one of my own or customized one of my own to the site. So now that one's public for anyone to use if it does well or if you want to copy it. But anyone could do this. Anyone could create a strategy, anyone can upload it, which is pretty cool. And especially today where there's so much potential to take what is being manually traded, turn that into written code, upload it to TradingView, backtest it on TradingView through PineScript, and then now pretty much send that anywhere, send those alerts anywhere so we can see how things do. It's pretty cool. But what gets cooler is that on AlphaInsider, unlike other places, or unlike if I was to just pull up a TradingView backtest, for example, and show you, hey guys, my backtest over the past 90 days, this is up 90%. It's got 11.4% drawdown. It's crushing it. It's 61.8% win rate. I could say that, but do we know that it actually trades that way? Or did I just kind of completely customize the settings so that it made it like perfect for me? And then it just so happens that I showed you that and then it won't trade that way. Like that's the problem right now. There's no way to kind of double check or to forward test and see how these things are actually doing live. That's where AlphaInsider comes in because all of the trades that are taken are verified by third-party Polygon data feeds. What that means is every time a trade is triggered, AlphaInsider says, hey, what's the time? What's the price? Mark that, put it on the site. Great, now let's see how this thing does. So we know that the stuff that's doing well on the site is actually doing well. It's real. It's not like someone came in and uploaded some specific strategy that they kind of made up that just so happens to fit the past 6 months on the S&P and now they look like a genius. No, like these have been actually trading live for longer periods of time. Some are new, but the ones that have been around, for example, this one's been around for well over a year. We know it's up 55% this year taking real trades. So to create this crypto bot for $100, we're going to need to have an account with AlphaInsider. It's free to do, not a problem. I'll leave a link below to sign up. From there, we don't need to have a TradingView strategy, but if you do, cool. We could then go and find one that we like. So let's say we want to trade this one. From here, I can go up to subscribe to the strategy I already have. Let's actually unsubscribe to the strategy really quick. I can click on unsubscribe. Then I can go back to the top right, click on subscribe. I'm now subscribed to the strategy. And then I can click on where it says auto trade now, and I can build my own trading bot. I already have one, but if I go to where it says new bot, if this is your first time, you're only going to see where it says new trading bot. From here, I can connect Hyperliquid, Bitfinex, or Binance. I'm personally a fan of Hyperliquid, so I would use that. But again, minimum balance is set to $100. So all I need is $100 in my Hyperliquid account, which I've actually done, and I can show you my bot in a second. From here, you need to get your public and private keys. This is not going to allow AlphaInsider any deposit withdrawal permissions at all. It only allows AlphaInsider to send these trade alerts to the broker and have the trades executed for you. That's it. Once I enter those API keys, I'll get to this page. So now I have the strategy here, and I have the ability to say, hey, I want to devote 100% of my account to the strategy. Or I want to put, let's say, 25% of my account to the strategy. That's fine. You just can't go over 100. And if I have multiple strategies that I want to add in here, I can do so. Just make sure that they don't cumulatively add up to over 100%. You're essentially saying, I want to set aside X amount of my portfolio or my brokerage account to trade this strategy. So you're diversifying your trading bot in a way. You don't have to do that, but you could. If I wanted to say, hey, I want to go all in on the strategy, it's got a great back test, and I only have $100 here, I wanted to let it rip, I'm going to just go in here and change that to 100%. You'll click on save, and then you'll come up to a page that looks like this. If the button is red, click on the button and it'll turn it green, which will then allow your strategy or your bot to start working for you. And in the case of me right now, it is rebalancing for me. So from here, you'll see the information from your broker. We've got the Hyperliquid bot. It's a crypto bot. We've got $102 in the account. I started with $100. It's up to $102. And we got some more information there, which is cool. I can then easily turn off the bot. I can easily change my allocation to the strategy. If I think, hey, I'm putting way too much or I'm not putting enough of my portfolio or my account on this, I can change that very, very easily, and it'll take care of that for you. And then I can also add new strategies. So if I wanted to say, okay, well, this is cool, but I want to diversify into multiple strategies because this one might be really good during a bull market, but I'm skeptical of what happens to the strategy when we start to turn down. Great, add a new one, go through my subscription feed that I've already subscribed to strategies that I like, and I can pull up the one that I want, boom, plug it in, and I can set my allocations as I see fit. So just like that, you now have an automated crypto strategy trading on your brokerage for you. You don't have to give AlphaInsider any money to do this. The only time you'd have to give AlphaInsider any money is if you wanted to create multiple trading bots or you wanted to automate multiple strategies inside of one bot. You can do this for free for your first trading strategy inside of your first bot, which is awesome. Just make sure, again, that your Hyperliquid account, in my case, or whatever brokerage account you're using, has $100 or more in it, and you'll be good to go. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll leave a link again to AlphaInsider to sign up. You can have your first trading strategy automated completely for free. Thanks so much, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.